Alright, we're going to solve some equations with integers. So whenever you're solving an equation, you have to work backwards. So we're going to do the opposite of whatever is being done to our variable. So that first one is p plus 23 equals 12. So the opposite of adding 23 is going to subtract 23. And to keep our equation balanced, we have to do it on both sides of the equation. So I get p left on the left side, and then I do 12 minus 23. So you can change that. Do keep, change, change. So 12 plus negative 23. So different signs. I'm going to subtract. 23 minus 12 is 11. 23 has a greater absolute value. So my answer is negative 11. For the next one, I got t minus 16 equals negative 4. So the opposite of subtracting 16 is going to be adding 16. I do that to both sides. So I get t on the left, and then negative 4 plus 16, different signs I subtract. 16 minus 4 is 12, and 16 has the greater absolute value, and 16 is positive, so my answer is positive. Alright, let's do some with multiplication and division. So first I have 5m equals negative 30. So anytime you see a number in a variable, that means multiplication. So the opposite of multiplying by 5 is going to be dividing by 5. So I'm going to divide both sides by 5. 5 divided by 5 is 1, so I'm left with just 1m, or just m. And then negative 30 divided by 5. 30 divided by 5 is 6. And negative and positive make negative. So my answer is negative 6. And then the next one I have p divided by negative 4 equals negative 3. So the opposite of dividing p by negative 4 is going to be multiplying by negative 4. So I'm left with p on the left, and then I have negative 3 times negative 4 is going to be a positive 12. And just so you know, you can always check your equations. There's never really a reason to get an equation wrong if you check yourself. So let me show you how to do that. So this first one, the m one, I have 5 times negative 6 equals negative 30. So all I did was substitute my answer of negative 6 in for m. So 5 times 6 is 30. Positive and negative make negative. Negative 30 equals negative 30. I got a true statement, so I know I did it correctly. So the second one is p equals 12. So for p, I'm going to put 12. So I have 12 divided by negative 4 equals negative 3. So 12 divided by 4 is 3. And positive and negative make negative. So negative 3 equals negative 3. True statement. I know I did that correct. Alright, so let's do a word problem. So the temperature today is 45 degrees, which is 12 degrees warmer than yesterday's temperature. Write and solve an equation to represent the temperature. So, first thing is, today's temperature is 45 degrees. So when we write our equation, anytime you see the is, that means something's going to equal 45 degrees. So we'll just put equals 45. And it's 12 degrees warmer than yesterday. So if we have yesterday's temperature, we'll call that y, plus 12 degrees, we're going to get today's temperature of 45. So our equation is y plus 12 equals 45. So then you just follow your rules to solve an equation. So what's being done to y is adding 12. So the opposite of that is going to be subtracting 12. And I have to do it to both sides to keep my equation balanced. So then you just subtract 45 minus 12 is going to give you 33 degrees. So yesterday it was 33 degrees. Today it is 45, and if you do 33 plus 12, you'll get 45.